Hi, I'm Joe from WHR Marketing, and this is the next review in our Semrush series focusing on Semrush Projects. So what can you do in Semrush Projects? So this is the Semrush Project dashboard. So first of all, we've got the site audit. Okay, so if I open that up, so this refreshes every few days. So the site audit, so my site at the moment, it's 90% health. 4 errors have popped up, 180 warnings and 119 notices. Okay, got 96% for crawlability, 96% site performance, which has gone up over the last few days, 100% for the HTTPS, and 91% internal links. So here are my top issues. 3 pages have slow load speeds, 1 page couldn't be crawled, might have been a reason for that, I'll show you in a sec, and 84 external links are broken. So this is what we'll be fixing over the next day or two. So if we go with errors first, okay, 3 new issues. So this has come up. So the load time is over 3 seconds for 3 of my pages, which probably means they're a bit heavy on the videos, images and coding, so I'll sort that out. It's really interesting to know that, so I'll know how to sort that out myself. 1 page couldn't be crawled. Okay, this sometimes doesn't matter. For example, I don't want that page to be crawled, so what I can do, I can press that and I can press hide. I don't need it crawled, exclude that from the check, so that won't actually come up as an error anymore. Okay, so forget that error, that will be sorted by next time. And I need to work on those 3. If I go down to the warnings now, I need to have a look here. 84 external links are broken. Right, I can see already there's one, it's a support.mozilla. Okay, so it's literally 1 link that's broken, which is obviously a part of all of my pages. I'll sort that out. Very, very simple. Again, 11 pages have duplicate H1 tags. Okay, smart. Right, that looks like it will be to do with having the same words in the page title. Very simple again. 1 page has too much text within the title tag. Right, I've got to shorten my title tag of one of my latest articles. Again, very, very simple to do. Okay, so once I sort that out, and those 2 there, again, very simple issues. That's going to take less than 5 minutes between both of those. Okay, then I'll be sorting all of the errors and warnings out on my website. Okay, very, very simple to do. We can check things like this if you want. Again, it was the slow page issue, so I'll sort that out. I'll use my WP Rocket to catch those pages properly, make them load faster. Right, if I go back to the dashboard now, in fact I was on here, you can do position tracking. Okay, you can do this as well in domain overview, so you can type in the website and it will come up with all the keywords. If you specifically want to show certain keywords what you want to rank for and focus on those, then you can leave it in position tracking. Okay, so right, so PEX the review has dropped down to 2nd. One of my recent reviews, Jungle Scout review, that's just started crawling, but it's going down on there. Okay, so I can track. I might need to add some more content to there. I might need to reach out and build some backlinks on that one. So there's my position tracking. You don't have to use that, but you can track obviously a lot more words than 2 keywords. Obviously I've got a lot more keywords that are ranking, but those are the 2 I've just left in position tracking. I don't use that as anymore, to be honest, because I just use domain overview to see all of the keywords that I'm ranking for. This is a really interesting part, on page SEO Checker. Okay, so if I click on here, it's telling me I've got 82 optimisation ideas. So it's telling me on 13 pages I need to start building more backlinks. Okay, so if I just click this one, Ecom Hunt, I'll go to backlinks. Okay, these websites here, or if I click show off all of these, okay, if I can reach out and get some backlinks from these websites, it's going to really help me rank for those keywords on my Ecom Hunt page. Technical SEO ideas. This is actually not within my WordPress, this page. This is a landing page. So the Semrush crawler couldn't find this page. That's, like I said, probably because it's not actually a part of my WordPress website. That's a separate landing page. So that's fine. All other ideas, all other technical SEO ideas are sorted. User experience ideas. So here it's got a high bounce rate on this specific page, so try to analyze and adjust all factors that may be increasing the bounce rate on that page. Okay, so all the other pages are fine. I'll just have to sort that page out. SERP features, I use something called Schema Pro. So as you can see here, most of my pages are optimized. I've just got 2 I need to optimize here. Text to review, it's saying that my page should be good enough now to target a SERP feature for text to review. Schema Pro is an amazing snippet tool for WordPress, so I'm going to do a review on that at a later date. So if you're looking to make SERP, getting featured on the SERPs much easier for you, I really do recommend Schema Pro, so I'll put that in the description too. What else have we got? I won't spend too long on this bit. I'll move on to the next bit. Come on. Yeah, I do want to go on the last 2 bits on here. Semantic ideas and content ideas. These I really like. So if I press, what have I gone for? Semantic ideas first. So if I go to, let's just say Ecom Hunt again. So what this does is analyze all the top pages on Google, so those top 10, and it's showing me words that I haven't used that the rest have. So as you can see, I'm using all of these words within my article that the top 10 people on those on Google page 1 are using. The only one I haven't used is this, which has been used on 4 of the top 10. So I'm going to add that when I start updating my content. Okay, and I can check through all of those for the same thing. If I go back, content ideas. Okay, so if I go here, Jungle Scout again, that's one where which was on my position tracker. Okay, and which went downwards. So look at this. Avoid keyword stuffing in the body. So I've used these too many times. Okay, use the target keywords in the body. I haven't used these in the body, so I can really update and enhance my my articles with these features. Use video content. Okay, Jungle Scout, I haven't done my video review of Jungle Scout yet, so once I do, I can add my video to that page, which will really help to rank. If I see the detailed analysis, okay, really goes into it. The red bits means I've used the words too much compared to my rivals. Semantics, as you can see, all the ticks are the words I've used, which lots of my rivals on the first page have used, and I've got so many that I can use and build more content around. So I can focus on Jungle Scout web-based. Okay, I can add that within my content. My backlinks, let's have a look. Right, there's rivals. 7 of my rivals have a link from this website, 5 from this website. So these are the ones I haven't got backlinks from, and websites here are backlinks I've got that they haven't got. Okay, so I can start targeting these. Okay, to and I could start building links with these websites saying, hey, can you check my Jungle Scout review? I can see you've got some others on there. and you can explain why they should link to yours. Content length. So I've got 1,376 words for my page, which is pretty good, to be fair. As you can see the line here, I've got more content than most. There's a few with more, so I could keep building, like I said, along those keywords. Video usage, as you can see, I've got no videos. Lots of them haven't got videos, but a few have. So those few having that video will help them rank higher. And luckily for me, I will be doing my Jungle Scout video review, which will really help me to rank above those that don't. Readability, I've got a score of 58, so you can see I'm kind of on the same as others. I can improve it again. I need to have a look in my dashboard to improve that. So again, that's on-page SEO Checker, so you can really see how useful that is to start updating your content and make it better. Social media tracker here, so you can see how many people are following you on Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. So I'll just check this briefly. It's got a few more analytics over here. You can see your posts, your engagements, and so on. So yeah, let's just click here, for example. It just goes into your analytics. Social media poster. Now this is an amazing feature of Semrush, and it saves you having to buy a separate social media tool. So with the social media poster, if I go to, where's my profiles and queue? Okay, as you can see here, you can add your Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and the one I haven't added yet, okay, is the Google My Business profile. So you can add that too, and then go to social media poster, and it just makes scheduling them so easy. So I'll go to last month, for example. I can go backwards, and you can see lots of my posts. So you can see if I just click on one of these posts here, you can see the bit.ly it creates for me. You can see the text I've used, and you can see the picture and so on. Okay, so you can open the post, you can reuse it again, so schedule again. Very simple. So if I go forward to the current date or future, so if we go here, you just click new post plus. Over here you select the account you want to write to, start typing your text here. You can add an image if you add a web link. Okay, so if I click this for my Semrush review, okay, if I add the web link, it will shorten the link for me, and it will even select an image usually from that page, as you can see here. Adds the image automatically, or you can add your own images, write your text, choose the date you want to schedule it, the time, and so on. Okay, I won't go into that, but that social media scheduler is such a good feature of Semrush, and it comes within the package. Let's get back to this dashboard to show you any more key features. You've got the brand monitoring, so you can type in some different names or alternative names. So WHR Marketing US, I can type in WHR Marketing Ltd, or whatever I want to type in. All of those words around my name. I don't really use that as much. And then anytime anyone mentions that name on Instagram or on Google or whatnot, it will put a +1, and then you can go to that comment, so you can see if they're putting positive feedback on your name or negative, and you can then address that and so on. Backlink audit, this is amazing. So as you can see here, it says 0 toxic backlinks for me. So sometimes as you make more content, you naturally get more backlinks referring back to you, but sometimes they can be spammy. Okay, so you don't even know who they are, they just link back to your content, they like your content, but it can appear spammy to Google. Okay, so when that happens, okay, you just need to go to your audit. If Semrush deems it to be toxic, they will tell you, okay, and it will be in a toxic list for you. And then all you need to do is tick any ones that you think are toxic, and you put you add it to your disavoid list. Once you've added those toxic links to your disavoid list, so as you can see, I've disavoid lots of websites that I just didn't trust. I didn't know who they were. Okay, then all you do is press export to text. There's your text file. You open the Google disavoid tool. So simple. Then you click disavoid links. You choose your file, the text file you just downloaded, just press submit and done, and then you go back to Semrush, and then you would click done, and that will remove all those toxic backlinks that you don't know. This is an amazing feature. Okay, so you could just keep, it will just, like I said, as you naturally get more links, sometimes you get some random links, you can just disavoid them, so Google will exclude them when they consider the authority of your website. The next feature in the projects is link building. So link building, this is another really useful feature if you're trying to build quality backlinks. So just click on link building, and if I go to prospects, okay, what you can do is you can add the keywords which you want to find quality backlinks for. Okay, so if I click here, I can show you the keywords I've been, right, so at this moment I'm looking for Semrush review and Semrush. So right here it will come up with all the different websites I can reach out to that will be relevant to the URL or the keywords I want to get them to link back for. So here you've got ratings of 5 out of 5 or 4 out of 5. So you want to look for these quality ones, and you also want to look at the authority score. So something like this, 5 out of 5 on the rating through Semrush, and it's got an page authority score of 85. Okay, so that's definitely someone I want to be targeting. I want to say, I've got an amazing article on Semrush, please can you link back to it. The last 4 features of the Semrush projects include the PPC keyword tool, the ad builder, the organic traffic insights, and the content analyzer. But I'm sure you can check that out for yourselves. If you prefer reading rather than watching videos, you can check our Semrush blog, okay, which has an exclusive promo code for you. I'll leave the promo code in the link in the description as well. As a digital marketing agency, we also offer a free online business report to help you get more customers, clients and sales. So all you'll need to do is put your name, your email address and your website, and it's completely free, and I'll be doing that manually myself. Please subscribe to the channel, please like the video, there'll be more Semrush videos to come. What I want to know in the comment section is, what is your favourite SEO tool that you use? I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.